Hey, are you alright? Hey, stay awake. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, you're bleeding a lot. I live close by. I have more medical supplies in my house. I'll bring you back there. I'll have to bind this chest wound first. I think I have a bandage in my bag here. There. I'm gonna have to wrap this around you, okay? It might hurt when I move you, but I'll be as gentle as I can be. There. And one more time around. Okay. That should hold for now. Hey, can you hear me? Hey, don't close your eyes. You have to stay conscious. You have to. Hey. Good morning. You're finally awake? Take it easy. You're still going to need a lot more rest. Seriously, don't move. You'll tear the stitches there. Lay back down. There's some water on the table next to you. If you can manage it, drink it. I suppose introductions are in order. My name is Anna. This is my house. Well, my shack, but it suffices. I found you yesterday while I was out hunting. I saw how you defended that poor dog from the giant spider. I haven't seen a spider quite that large in years. It must have taken a lot of courage to face that beast. The dog? It is safe. Actually, it refused to leave your side, so it followed me home. It's outside right now, sleeping. I gave it some water and leftovers, so don't worry. No, you can't see it yet. What part of staying put and resting don't you understand? Sorry, I didn't mean to raise my voice. It's just you lost so much blood. I was worried you wouldn't make it there for a minute, especially after you passed out yesterday. Still, despite your injuries, you did manage to slay a giant spider all by yourself. You did a good job. It's okay to rest now. You've earned it. It'll take at least a couple more days for you to be well enough to walk, so you'll have to stay here. Hey, no need to apologize. It's not like it's your fault. There's no need to compensate me. I'm just doing my part as a ranger in these woods. May I ask you a question? Well, first, what is your name? A strong name. It suits you well. By the way, what were you doing so far in the woods by yourself? You got lost. Where did you come from? Well, that town is almost a 2-hour hike west of here. How in the 5 realms did you end up here? I can understand that. Feeling lost in life, feeling unsure of the future. It's a familiar feeling to me. Walking clears one's mind. It's just nice to escape everything every once in a while, you know? Oh, and before I forget to mention it, your sword and equipment is just over there. I took the liberty of cleaning the blood off your gear. I hope you don't mind. No need for thanks. I know I would want my equipment taken care of if I was in your shoes. There is a change of clothes for you folded up by the foot of your bed, though they might be a bit small on you. Oh, here, let me grab the porridge. It should be done by now. Here. Say, ah. There. Make sure to chew that well, okay? I know you could probably feed yourself. Yes, but I remember when I was injured or sick, being fed always made me feel better. Do you think you can eat more? You need to build your strength back up. Good. Here's some more. I do hope it tastes alright. I'm glad to hear it. I was worried about the taste. Is it okay if I play with your hair for a little bit? I know it's a bit of a strange request, seeing as we barely know each other, but my mother used to always do it to comfort me. I can? Thank you. You did so well. You were so brave, saving that dog's life. You deserve to rest. To be safe and comfortable. You are worthy of having a good day. You're strong and capable and deserve praise. You did a good job. You did your best. It's okay to rest now. I can see by your eyes you're getting tired. You can sleep if you want. Actually, it's probably good you do. You do need to rest and recover your energy. I'll be here when you wake up, and I'll feed you again. No, me feeding you is not optional, unfortunately. Okay, rest now. When you're strong enough, I'll introduce you to that dog you saved. I think you might have a new pet, because I doubt it'll leave your side now. Sleep well. Good night.